Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create a unique Venetian blinds transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline. The first clip overlaps the second from where you want the transition to start. I'll give it around 1 second. Go to the Effects panel, search for Venetian blinds and drag it onto the first clip. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the Venetian blind settings. Set the transition completion to 0% at the start of the transition. Move the playhead to where you want the transition to end. Set the transition completion to 100%. This will animate the blinds opening up to reveal the following clip. You can also customize the direction and width settings to change the angle and size of the blinds. I would like to add Venetian blinds twice to the same clip to create an overlapping effect that looks nice. Play the timeline to preview your Venetian blinds transition. And that's it. A quick and easy Venetian blinds transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.